Welcome to Jurassic Island, Episode 2. Here we have some dinosaurs enjoying the grass. Due to the cold weather, most predators have went inside caves or shelters. The rains have started, but hardly anything gets wet. They are enjoying this meal. Although there are still predators about. An Indominus Rex has appeared. An Indominus Rex is one of the most ferocious predators on the island. However, there is only one, meaning its threat level is not as high as Tyrannosaurus or Spinosaurus. It massacres almost all of the herbivores in the area. Almost all of them are torn apart or bit into. It starts enjoying its feast while it lasts. The T-Rex from the last episode has found friends. Has found some friends that is now joining their pack. Me and my crew have put tracking devices in all the dinosaurs. And this dinosaur's tracking device is in its chest near the leg. He goes for another hunt. Not on the dinosaurs!